Hello, back again on the Bilix 7 channel. Today I want to take you on a virtual trip to Mexico. To be precise, to a beautiful place called Casona Los Cedros. This building used to be an old colonial house that was abandoned for more than 30 years. Now, it's been transformed into a super cool and characterful boutique hotel. What makes it special is that the restoration was not haphazard. Laura Lecué and the Collectif COMO team worked on it very carefully. They still maintained the old elements, then combined them with subtle modern touches. The end result is really unique. The building has a breath of the past, but remains fresh and functional for today. One thing that everyone loves the most, the way they treat the surrounding nature. The old trees that have grown for decades were not cut down. Instead, they were made the main part of the design. The building seems to be hidden among the trees, and the materials used are also natural and local, such as stone, chukum, certified wood, and lime. Aesthetic, yet environmentally friendly. The design also invites collaboration with many local craftsmen. There is a hanging lamp made of woven bajuco, made by a craftsman named Mango. The embroidered textiles were made by Marta, and the wooden furniture was made by craftsmen from the surrounding villages. So this project is not just about architecture, but also about reviving local culture and community. If we look at the layout of the space, this hotel has a very calm and natural atmosphere. Each room has a direct connection to the garden and surrounding trees. Then there is an infinity pool in the middle, which at night creates reflections of light from the surrounding trees. The peaceful and magical impression is really there. Although the building is 650 square meters in size, the experience you get inside is more than just numbers. The design makes you feel like you're at home, not in a stiff luxury hotel. Each space has good natural lighting, cross ventilation that makes it cool, and a smooth transition between indoors and outdoors. Semi-open areas are key here. Many spaces are not completely enclosed by walls, so wind and light can freely enter. For example, the hallways leading to the rooms are made open and shady, like taking a leisurely walk in a tropical garden. This is what makes the building feel alive and always changing according to the time and weather. The scale is also very well thought out. Everything is adjusted to create a calm and intimate atmosphere. Not too grand, but just right, comfortable to sit, chat, or just relax. So it's not just aesthetic, but also makes you feel at home. For friends who like architecture or interior design, Casona Los Cedros can be a great inspiration. We can learn that building or renovating a house doesn't have to start from scratch. We can utilize what already exists, respect its history, and still create a modern and comfortable space. At the same time, it can also have a positive impact on the environment and the people around us. See you again in the next home inspiration and design.